So let's look at what that stuff is. And this is a part where I think I am bringing in my perspective in this particular graphic which I created. So I may be slightly wrong. I would not like position myself as being overconfident, but that's what my thought is right now, as what my perspective is about the AI startup space right now. So I have created 5 divisions or 5 buckets of companies in the AI space, and let me walk you through what those are. So the first one are the AI drivers. So these are the people who are basically pushing the envelope for all the AI and data science development which is happening. Not all, but most of the development which is happening in the AI space. And obviously, these are the big guys. Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Hugging Face, Nvidia, Amazon, OpenAI, whatnot. The second bucket, I need not like explain you this one more, I guess, because this is very self-explanatory. The second bucket is the AI product space, where these are the companies which are creating directly consumer-facing products using these AI technologies, and to some extent, these companies are also pushing the boundary or pushing the envelope and getting R&D done and like creating more AI stuff, right? Because they are also bringing new products which are not pre-existing in market. So I gave you examples like CryptDrop, Spine, Rephrase, Gnani.ai is another company which works on Indian languages and creates chatbots and audio agents for Indian languages. Similarly, Skit is also working with Indian language and vernacular space, vernacular and AI space. Then there are the companies which I'm calling AI enhanced. Why I'm calling them AI enhanced is that these companies are not necessarily pushing the envelope in AI development or like not doing cutting edge research. Again, quote unquote, not saying that they are not doing any R&D. They are definitely doing R&D for their own purposes. But I am like doing a soft classification here. There is not a hard classification being done out here, so don't quote me on this. But these companies are kind of using the AI advancements or the latest research which is happening and using them for their own purposes or their own business needs. Then in the AI enhanced category, there are 3 subdivisions. The first one is the services domain, where there are companies which provide AI services to their clients. So these will be the big consulting firms, obviously Deloitte, McKinsey, TCS and whatnot. They are the folks who are using AI and using data science techniques to provide value to their clients and customers, right? Then there will be companies who are using AI to enhance their business, to enhance their reach to the customers and provide more value. And they will be on two different sides, which are supply side and consumer side, right? Now, supply side, again, not saying that these companies do not do any work on the consumer side, because even Flipkart, Blinkit are doing consumer side work as well, doing recommendations for their product, showing correct product to their consumers. So they are there using AI to do that, and that makes them consumer side as well. But they are more heavy on the supply side. Their business is more dependent on the supply side, because in organizations like Flipkart or Delivery or Blinkit, we basically want to ensure that the product or the item is reaching to the end consumer, and for that maybe we are doing some supply chain optimizations, or maybe we are predicting the demand in the near future, and that is a heavier operation as compared to the consumer side. And like that's how I am looking at it. I may be wrong, but I categorize these kinds of companies in the AI enhanced supply side. And the consumer side would be like Netflix or Lenskart, which are again, see, these are not AI businesses, but they're using AI to drive more value for the customers. For example, Lenskart is using AR and computer vision to give you that on the app try on for their glasses, right? Now, this is a consumer side application, and that's why they are AI enhanced at the consumer side. Similarly, Netflix is doing movie recommendation, and they are using very sophisticated AI for doing movie recommendation. But their business is not AI, right? Their business is showing you movies and good TV series. Again, For example, a company like Netflix has been doing good R&D in AI side, and they were probably the pioneers in the movie recommendation challenge, right? So again, they can come and fall back to this in this bucket as well. But I'm just doing a soft classification where more often they would fall in this bucket rather than in this one, right? So that's how I'm doing this soft classification. I think this provides you some context around how the AI space or how the AI company space is structured.